Hi there, and welcome to a Beach Club Disney Vacation Club Deluxe Studio tour. We are staying in the Beach Club. We are in room 550, so let me show you what it looks like. Right when you walk in, the first thing I notice is that the floors are a laminate, which is really nice. I don't always like having the carpet. Right when you enter, there's a door here for the adjoining room. There's a nice mirror here with 3 hooks that you can hang your bag and whatnot. And the other thing that I like about this entryway is it's nice and large. What I'm not showing you is our stroller that's sitting right here, and there's plenty of room to just put it over in the corner and be able to walk right through. So as you walk in, there is a little kitchenette, and in the kitchenette there's a microwave, a small sink, a pretty big refrigerator. There is a coffee pot and an ice bucket, some paper towels, some coffee stuff, and then we have some paper plates and some paper cups, some mugs and some glasses for water. And then here we have a toaster, more paper towels. What's this? Oh, can opener and plastic utensils, which are nice. And I want to note the handles here. Look at their little starfish. That's really cute. And then we have a dish towel over here with a sponge and some soap, dish soap. And then down here we have, it looks like trash and recycle. Then as you flip around, we come into the bathroom. This is the shower area. A nice large shower, huge tiles, very nice. And as you can see, they still have the individual sized toiletries. A lot of the resorts are moving to the pumps, but here we still have those. Plenty of towels. I have to say, I like how light and bright this bathroom is. We have stayed in a few deluxe resorts, and the bathrooms always seem to be so dark, and I really appreciate how light this one is. Oh, there's more towels there. That's nice. And then as you close the door, there I am. You come into the getting ready area, which is nice and light and bright, which I like. The only thing is there's only one sink, which is okay, because realistically one of us will be getting ready in the shower while the other one's getting ready out here. I love this mirror. It's great to put on your makeup, and it's illuminated. Oh my goodness. If you watched my Animal Kingdom review a few months ago, you know how dark it was, and this is like night and day difference, and I absolutely love it. Plenty of washcloths, a hair dryer down there, extra toilet paper and tissues, and then a nice large closet. Whew. So we have a dustpan, there is a iron, there's a vacuum, a mop, and a broom, an ironing board, a nice deep closet, and look back there. If you're traveling with a little one, there's even a pack and play. What else is back there? Oh, a fire extinguisher. Not very many hangers, but that's okay. A luggage rack, and then extra pillow and blankets. Oh, and a safe. So when you are staying in a Disney Vacation Club room and you're staying on points, you only get housekeeping, I think it's every 4 days, where they will come in and clean. Otherwise, they just do trash service. So that's why there is the vacuum and the broom and the mop if you need to clean during your stay. One thing that really strikes me about this room is how large this area is. I feel like it's larger than some of the other resorts that we stayed at. And I know I said it before, but the lighting in here, oh my goodness, the lighting is everything. So then as we come this way, we come into the room. Now this room does sleep 5. We do have it looks to be like a queen bed here with 2 lights and a mirror over here, a little nightstand, and then this is a pull-out couch, which I've actually slept on one of them, and they're quite comfortable. They're not that bad. And then moving over here, we have a nice big TV, and then we have a little seating area with drawers on each side, and this actually pulls out into a bed. It is a twin size bed. I have never slept on one. I've heard they're comfortable, but that's how you sleep 5 in this room. My son and my husband are outside, so we're gonna go out and see the view. Say hi! Okay, so it is a pretty small balcony, I'm not gonna lie, but honestly, we don't spend very much time in our room, so it doesn't even matter. So this is, so there are quite a few wasps around I'm seeing. But this is our view. We just got a standard view room. I did hear that this room had a theme park view. I don't see a theme park. I think Epcot is right there on the other side of these bushes. But I did hear that you can see illuminations from this room. And that concludes the tour of the Deluxe Studio at the Beach Club Villas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
It kind of feels like this. Hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down?